Okay guys, so if you are a biker and you want to make your video much more interesting and quite good looking, one thing that you can add element is the drone shot. So today I'm going to recommend to you one drone that's very easy to use for all bikers, all ages, all kind of capability, from basic to the expert. Okay, you don't even know how to fly drone, I will also recommend you this one, because this one has all the preset button. You don't even need to know how to fly. So let me introduce to you the DJI Neo. Alright, okay, so this drone you can fly without any knowledge of flying a drone. Why? Because it has the preset button that you can use in order for you to record a video. So when we are riding bike, we cannot be wasting time fixing our controller and all that. We want something quick. Alright, so this one has all the preset mode here. You just have to press the button here and you're able to do that kind of shot. So some of the shot that it has is the circle, the rocket, the drone, helix, boomerang, and even a direction track. Alright, these are some of the features. If you want more details, I can do another video for you, but for now let's talk about the spec a bit. So this is about 135 grams, so it's very light, this drone. You can even put in your top box, in your bag and all that. Not too heavy. Okay, it comes with the 4K 30 frames per second video quality, which is good enough for your TikTok, even for your YouTube. Okay, another thing is the downside I feel is it doesn't have a micro SD. It has a built-in memory inside, which is about 22 gig. Alright, I think 22 gig you can take about 10 to 15 minutes of videos lah. Alright, so normally when you ride your bike also, you will not take very long videos for TikTok and for your YouTube, maybe 1-2 minutes, maximum 5 minutes drone shot. Alright, if you see Ichibu also, she don't take very long drone shot, maybe 5 minutes max. Okay, alright, so these are some of the features of this drone. Alright, so if you are a rider and you want something quick, get this DJI Neo. Alright, if you want more videos on how to use this drone, just leave on the comment below. I will get back to you. Okay guys, so let me know, will you get one for yourself? Right, I think I had some videos, probably I can share with you guys as well. Okay guys, so thank you for watching and have a good day.